Good evening, everyone. We got a new severe thunderstorm warning. This is for parts of our area. This includes, let's see if we can get over here. This is for, let's see that. This is for south central Logan, southwestern Yale, northeastern Polk, Scott, and northern Montgomery County. With this until 8:15. It's for 60 miles an hour winds. So let's look inside the storm. If we can go to Wind-Penner right now. So there's some very strong storms about to move through the Waldron area. So the strongest core looks to be in this area right here. Winds probably around the 55 to 60 miles an hour mark. Is there any hail in this? Any rotation? There's a little slight rotation, but nothing major. Hail is probably going to be around the marble size range. Now we can go back to 2 panels if we want. One radar in the wind, and so this is the area we need to watch a little bit with all of that wind and rain. So let's put a storm track on this. This should be into the Cedar Creek area in probably the next 15 to 20 minutes. Let's see, more development is possible ahead of this, so just stay alert. Let's see. Some more storms out here near northern Scott County. Central Scott County is getting Y City. Gonna get this. Bowles, Parks, Odin, Sims, Mount Ida. Story. This is on Highway 27. Let's see. Alright. Let's play our radar back. So these storms are moving to our southeast right now. Waldron's definitely getting affected by this. Some very strong winds. Okay, so it's 60 miles an hour just south of Waldron, but some very strong winds probably in Waldron right now. Bowles, you're about to get this if we can storm track where this wind core is going. It's probably head south, so that's heading to Bowles. So if we can put that or at storm track at a Alright, so that's heading to Bowles right now, or that core. So we need to keep an eye on that. That very strong core. That's around 60 mile an hour winds. Let's move across Highway 71. Parks, you're about to get this. Very heavy rain in the Waldron area. For sure, this is our radar loop. I mean, look at that. That's some very crazy weather in our area. But we got you covered, so do not worry. So Waldron's definitely getting this. Alright, so Boonville, you're almost out of this. Havana, Danville's about to get this. Very strong winds on the backside of this. We got 1.03 inches of rain here at the station. We had 71 degrees, and our max wind gust was 32 miles per hour, which is pretty strong. But now I got a double rainbow out there and pretty sunset going on. So you can send our pictures to our LHS Weather email at lhsweather@gmail.com. Our Instagram at LHS Weather. Our Snapchat is LHS Weather, and you can go subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch our live coverage, which is our channel name is LHS Weather. So we'd like to see the pictures you send in. We got 2 from Bradley. Very amazing double rainbow. So if you're in Levac, you probably see that double rainbow. It was pretty cool. So just some very cool pictures being sent in. We will post those later. right now, let's get to our coverage. See what's going on. Do we have any comments? Not that see of. So if we can go to our hail core, let's go to our hail radar. So that's probably near dime to nickel size hail, probably near going towards the Bowls, Y City area. Waldron's definitely getting a little bit of hail, probably near marble size. But the winds are very strong on this storm, and that's moving to the south. Not as much strong storms up here for northern Scott and southern southwestern Logan County, but that's moving to the south right now. Let's see. Alright, so we do want to make a quick announcement about that severe storm. Alright, so fun over dark. Alright. So keep it tuned. You're watching severe weather coverage with Austin Nagel, and we will take a short break and be right back. Alright, welcome back to our live severe weather coverage here on YouTube or on our channel. Got some severe storms moving through the area. Waldron definitely got it and is still getting some of that heavy rain. Bowls is about to get to that core winds at around 50 to 55 miles per hour highway. If you're on Highway 71, you're getting around 60 mile an hour winds. Some strong storms are definitely moving through. Severe storms, actually. In front of this is around a core. Now it's starting to be an outflow boundary too. So in front of it, it looks like there's some winds around the 55 mile per hour mark. It's going to Parks on Highway 28. Off Highway 77. Be careful if you're on 270. Harvey. On those areas, just stay alert on those storms. Some very strong winds and very heavy rain. So the storms are definitely out of Subiaco now. They're in Havana, just south of Magazine. They're almost done in Boonville and Washburn. The rain's out of the Greenwood area and almost out of the Mansfield and Hahn area. Costin's, it's out. Waldron, you're getting it pretty good. Y-City, Bowles Park, Cedar Creek, and Harvey, you're about to get it. Gravely, Bluffton, Blue Ball, and Waltreek, and Briggsville. You're gonna get it. Odin, Mount Ida, Sims, Story, Onyx, Rover. You're gonna get it too. Next a little bit. So as these storms race off to our southeast, we are gonna keep a track on them. So these storms are now moving to the Bowles area. Some very strong winds. Alright. See. So Bowles is definitely in this right now with some very strong winds. Very heavy rain too. Temperature's definitely knocked down to 71 here at the station. Which is very comfortable. So let's keep this on the radar for just a few moments. That track. So we're gonna have radar pulled up for y'all we're gonna keep radar pulled up for a little bit, and we'll give you an update in just a few minutes. Alright guys, so let's get a last summary check.